everybody, Debra here, and this weekend I am at the Lolapalooza event at Cedar Hill State Park, hosted by my friend Lola, lost on land again, and I'm going to show you, well, the day before and day one and part of day two. Stay tuned. This video is being presented tonight as a premiere. I usually have my Friday Night Live, FNL, at 5 p.m. Pacific and 8 p.m. Eastern. But because I'm at the Lolapalooza, tonight I'm doing this as a premiere, which means that you can see comments just like the live chat comments, and we are talking to each other. And it is just like a Friday Night Live, only we're watching a video together. It's kind of like going to the movies together. So if you are watching this after it has premiered, you can leave comments as normal below, and you can click on the comments to see what all we said during the movie, during the video. So the day before the Lola event, the Lolapalooza started, which was the 22nd, Lola and Frugal and Vicky came by and said hi, and I so appreciated that. That was so much fun. And I also got to meet Antonia on the road while I was out and about. I am so proud of her. She came all the way here from Maine. And I don't know if you guys know or can tell what that is, but I am pointing at the round domey thing on the far horizon on the opposite side of the lake, and that is where the Cowboys play. That's the Cowboys Stadium. The other person that came by to see me was RV Rebel Girl. Hi everybody, this is my friend Carolyn, but you know her as RV Rebel Girl. Be sure and check out her channel. And what was really special about yesterday, Carolyn?
Yesterday was mine and David Danny, my puppy dog's birthday.
Both of their birthdays. So happy birthday, RV Rebel Girl.
Thank you so much.
Then that night, she hosted a movie. She has several nights at her camp. And while I was walking up to her camp to go see the movie, I saw somebody on the side of the road trying to get their toe off of their RV, and it looked like she was having trouble. And I ended up meeting one of the attendees here, and I'm so proud of her. This was her maiden voyage, and her name is Lorelai. And another couple was walking by, Sandra and Jeff, and they stopped, and we helped her get her toe off her RV and helped her get set up. And so then I went on to the movie night. And the movie that night was My Big Fat Greek Wedding, and I had not seen it yet. It was such fun. Day one of Lolapalooza, which was yesterday, the 22nd, Joni's RV Journey. She had come by to see me before, but she brought one of my neighbors. We're all kind of camped close together, and Kathy came to see me. Joni, I'm so proud of her. She drove all the way from Maine to here. And then Kathy, that's her beautiful van that you can see behind us in this picture. And then I had some friends that came to see me for the afternoon. Bandit and I are outside waiting on my friends Steve and Beverly to show up. We're going to have lunch, and Steve and I have been friends for 35 plus years, and I just love his wife Beverly. There's a plane flying over, so I'm going to cut this short, but I can't wait to see them. Do we have company? Even Bandit was excited to see them, and I just love them so much. That's Steve and Beverly, and been friends of mine just forever. And the Dan van brought that love seat for them to sit in, and I so appreciated it. And it was hard to say bye to them and see them go, but I got to be with them for a little while.
Love you.
Bye, love you too. Bye, guys. And then it was time to go up and register for the actual event and get our goodie bags. Lola and a whole bunch of people put together a bag of goodies, and it had everything from Tootsie Rolls in it to, you can't see what I'm holding up, but Tootsie Rolls, and Lola's sticker for this year. I'm so excited, and I'm going to get a t-shirt, and it just had all kinds of stuff in it, and I really appreciated that. And that is Lola, Lost on Land again, Vicky Van Gogh, and that also is Leanna, who is that camping chick sitting at the table. And then after that, we all just hung out for a while and talked and visited. And in this clip, it was just a bunch of us having fun. Rex, who is Lone Star Rider, y'all check him out, and you can go to lonestarrider.com. He rides in honor of his son and for diabetes. And then, of course, you can see Carolyn, RV Rebel Girl, and Dan, the Dan Van, Papa Texas. Check out his channel. And Deb's Van Ventures, and Lindy in this picture.
I've got the 2 burners.
Are you pushing that button yet?
The cast iron on there, you can just scramble up some eggs on it.
And there's a whole bunch of activities going on up at the main camp, and so I might head up there in a little bit. But I thought in the meantime I'd just show you some things that show you around Cedar Hill State Park, show you where the Lolapalooza is being held, and so you guys enjoy this. You're going to see a swarm, and it's going to look like birds at first, but it's dragonflies. And then toward the end of this montage, y'all watch for the surprise that came into my camp.
Keeping on.
Thank you, Dan. See you later.
I'll see you down the road.
See you down the road, babe. Bye.
Bye-bye. I'll see you tonight.
You betcha.